Amen.
Amen.
The secretary will call the roll.
Mavic, the
Let
deputy
it be put on record that the secretary refused to call the roll. Let the deputy secretary for legislation to call the roll.
Roll call of members. The Honorable Senators Aquino, Cayetano Pia, De La Rosa, Ejercito, Escudero, Estrada, Gatchalian, Go, Hontiveros, Lacson, Lapid, Legarda, Marcoleta, Marcos, Padilla, Pangilinan, Soto, Tulfo Erwin, Tulfo Rafi, Villanueva, Villar Camille, Villar Mark Zubiri, Senate President Cayetano Alan.
With 12 senators present, the chair declares a quorum.
Mr. Presiding Officer, Mr. Presiding Officer, I move to declare all elected positions in the Senate vacant.
Any objection?
Aray ko.
Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Oh! Sapul! Sapul!
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President Pro Temp.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Oy! Senate
I
President!
hereby move and nominate Senator Sherwin Gatchalian as the Senate President Pro Tempore.
Is there any objection?
Seconded.
Duly seconded. The motion is approved. Thank you, dear colleagues. Majority Leader.
Majority Leader. Ikaw na. Sige, ikaw na.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we elect Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri as Chairman of the Committee on Rules.
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Oh! Sapul! Yare!
My dear
Gulpe! Gulpe!
I move that we proceed with the oath taking of the Senate President pro tempore. I so move. And we will ask Senator Soto, the most senior member of this chamber, to proceed with the oath to our new Senate President pro tem.
Sapul! Tiyak! Yare!
Having been elected to this position of Senate President Pro Tempore, do hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others I may
Bumaligtad si Cheese, mga kababayan, oh.
the Republic of the Philippines.
Bumaligtad si Cheese! Tarang-reng-reng! Aray ko. Sabi ko sa inyo, mga kababayan, Sabi ko, kung panoorin nyo po yung live natin kanina, tama yung itim na kuyukot natin. Hindi makontrol ni Cayetano si Cheese. Tapos siya.
Promulgated by the duly constituted authority and maintain true faith and allegiance to the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon my
Iyak mga DDS dito. Mag-iyakan muna kayo. Aray ko.
without mental reservation or purpose.
Lumabas si Cheese, out of nowhere,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Senate President pro tempore.
Majority Leader,
Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate Secretary.
is there any objection? Hearing none, motion's approved.
Mr. President, I move to nominate and elect Secretary Ray Bantug Jr. to the position of Senate Secretary. There
Palit
being no
na!
other nominations present.
Patay!
Any objection? Duly seconded.
Oh, palit ka na. Yung Senate Secretary po, ayaw po mag-session. Sarap kaltukan dahil bata ni Cayetano, ayaw mag-session. Nag-o-object siya, hindi daw siya mag-session, kaltukan ka namin Ayaw po mag-session ng Senate Secretary ni Cayetano. Tarantado ang puta.
Aray ko.
O ngayon, bye-bye ka, tanga.
Aray ko.
The motion is approved.
Mr. President, I'd like to also move to proceed with the election of the Senate Sergeant at Arms.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, I move to nominate and elect Police Major General Alfredo Soto Corpus to the position of Sergeant at Arms, there being no
Ayan o,
other-
binalik po. Ayan ha, binalik po. Ayan po yung mga tinanggal ni Cayetano, binalik. Biro nyo po, dekada na yan ha. Dekada na po yan dyan, tinanggal ni Cayetano. Tarantado talaga. Cheese. Hindi pa tayo tapos ha, para kang ano ha. May galit ako sa'yo. Pansamantala lang to, Cheese. Para sa bayan to, pansamantala. Ha? Hindi pa tayo tapos, Cheese. Pansamantala lang to. Pansamantala to, Cheese, para sa bayan.
Aray ko.
Ha? Galit ako sa'yo, pero pansamantala to para sa bayan.
Aray ko.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, I move that we give their oaths of office together.
O, mag-I love you muna dyan kay Cheese. Pansamantala, lagay nyo. I love you temporary. Ano, I love you, Cheese, temporary.
Aray ko.
Pansamantala lang ha. Pansamantala lang, huwag nyo sabihin na I love you so much ha. I love you temporary, Cheese.
I state your name.
Ayan, binalik na sila oh. Oh, binalik na.
The position of. Do hereby solemnly swear. That I will well and faithfully discharge.
Hindi, temporary lang yung ano natin, pagmamahal kay Cheese. Para lang sa bayan, temporary. Pero may kaso pa rin siya eh. Temporary lang. Okay? Temporary lang ha. Ayan, yan. Thank you. I love you, Cheese. Temporary only. Very good.
Aray ko.
Temporary lang. Kasi may kaso to eh. May kaso po to, kaya temporary lang. Para sa bayan, I love you lang, temporary.
Aray ko.
Naka, mag-live ka ngayon, Cayetano. Mag-live ka ngayon, kupal. Mag-live ka. Tarantula ka. Mag-live ka ngayon. Oh. Iiyak ka ngayon. Oh. Sino nga?
The Constitution of the Philippines.
Oh.
That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and
Oh. Patay ka ngayon, Cayetano.
duly constituted authority,
Anong sabi ni ano?
and maintain true faith and
Anong sabi ni Marcoleta? Ano daw? Kasindak-sindak.
Aray ko. Aray ko.
Oh! Sabi ko sa inyo mga kababayan, hindi magwawagi ang kadiliman kahit kailan. Kadiliman, hindi magwawagi. Hindi magwawagi.
Mr. President, I move to elect the following senators as chairpersons of the following committees. Senator J.V. Ejercito, Chairman of the Committee of Finance. Senator Tito Soto, Chairman of the Committee on National Defense. Chairman Panfilo Ping Lacson, Chairman of the Committee on Public Order and Committee on Accounts. Chairman Erwin Tulfo, the Committee on Accountability.
Yung mga naiiyak dyan, pwede na po kayo umiyak. Tangina mo kayo, Tano. Gago ka talaga.
Aray ko.
Pwede na po kayo umiyak. Ha? Pwede po kayo umiyak. Umiyak kayo. Ilabas niyo yan. Baka maging utot yan.
Aray ko.
Tangina mo kayo, Tano. Gago ka talaga. Tangina mo. Kaya sayang mo yung pera namin. 75 billion na kung hindi natuloy. Gago ka.
Aray ko. Aray ko.
Public Officers and Investigations, and Social Welfare and Rural Development. Chairman Senator Raffy Tulfo to the Committee on Public Services. Chairman Bam Aquino to the Committee on Basic Education.
Nice!
Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Chairman of the Committee on Agriculture.
Sabi ni char-char relationship. Tama. Fling-fling lang ha. Huwag kayo may in love kay Cheese. Fling-fling lang. Tama, your Filipina pigs. Fling-fling lang kay Cheese ha. Walang may in love. Okay? Walang responsibility. Okay? Tama! Pling-pling lang ha, walang mai in love. Pling-pling lang tayo kay Cheese. Pag walang not strings attached.
Aray ko.
Senator Risa Ontiveros, Chairman of the Committee on Health. Senator Lito Lapid as Chairman of the Committee on Games and Amusements. Senator Cheese Escudero to retain his Committee on Housing. And yours truly, Senator Zubiri, as Chairman of the Committee on Foreign Relations. I
Is there
so
any
move.
objection? Hearing none, the motion of the majority leader is hereby approved.
Yare!
Mr. President, I move to consider PS Resolution number 432. This is the resolution amending Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedure on impeachment trials to provide for the election of a presiding officer in all cases not involving the President of the Philippines. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Ayan na, nagsasama na yung impeachment! Yan! 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 Yan!
I move to adopt PS Resolution number 432. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, may we ask the Secretary to read the title of the measure for clarity and place on record the title of the resolution.
Resolution amending Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedure in Impeachment Trials to provide for the election
Eh,
of
no,
a
bumalik
presiding
na siya,
officer in all cases not involving the President of the Philippines.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I also move to consider proposed Senate concurrent resolution number 10. The Secretary is directed to read only the title of the resolution without prejudice of inserting the full text thereof.
Concurrent resolution providing for the adjournment sine die of the first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines not later than 12 o'clock midnight today, June 3, 2026.
Mr. President, I move to adopt Senate concurrent resolution number 10.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, in conformity with the
Biro nyo mga kababayan, saglit lang ha. Tingnan nyo mga kababayan. Kung di kayo magla-like, anong mangyayari sa Pilipinas? Ito na naman tayo eh. Mga kababayan, huwag po natin kalimutan na mag-like kasi anong mangyayari sa bansa, sa bayan at sa Pilipinas?
Aray ko.
Ha? Nakalimutan nyo na naman mag-like. Ito na naman tayo.
Aray ko.
Kakatapos lang natin mag-live, di na naman kayo nagla-like. Anong mangyayari sa bansa, sa bayan at sa Pilipinas?
Aray ko.
Ha? Mag-like tayo. Tapos nga pala, bago nga pala, kita nyo po si Cheese po, bumawi. Ano bakit? Finor-tweet niya ngayon.
Aray ko.
Putik. Pinor-tweet po. Pinor-tweet si Cayetano.
Aray ko.
Putik. Putang ina to rin, abnormal din. Biglang nag-4-tweet kay Cayetano. Agad-agad.
Aray ko.
Tangina mo ko. Ayop ka, Cheese. Pinor-tweet mo si Cayetano agad-agad.
Aray ko.
and concurrent resolution that we have just adopted. I move that the Committee on the Senate provided therein be composed of Senators J.V. Ejercito, Francis Pangilinan, and Rafi Tulfo. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. Senators J.V. Arcito, Francis Pangilinan, Rafi Tulfo, and shall compose the Committee of the Senate to inform the President of the Republic of the Philippines that the first regular session of the 20th Congress is ready to adjourn sine die.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. And just for clarity, the PS resolution we earlier
Oh, pinalitan na yung OSA. Pinalitan na kaagad yung OSA. Secretary General, pinalitan na po. Tangina mo, aplas ka.
approved this 430. The number is 430. 430? 430. Mr. President, before we adjourn, the chair would like to state for the
Mr.
record
President,
why
Majority
we
Leader,
compelled
before we
today.
adjourn,
Yes.
allow me to give a few remarks. Before we adjourn, ladies and gentlemen, the chair would like to state for the record that we are compelled to call the session to order today. after the Senate adjourned on May 26, 2026, session was scheduled to resume on Monday, June 1, 2026, and on Tuesday, June 2, 2026. But the former Senate President failed to appear in both instances.
Tama. June 1 po, natatandaan nyo, nung in-adjourn po, motion to adjourn ni Tito Soto, June 1 daw ang balik. Si Cayetano po ang nagsabi niyan bilang Senate President. Hindi niya po in-adjourn, hindi niya po tinupad. Birthday pa naman ni Ping Lacson. Diba? Diba? Birthday pa naman.
Aray ko.
Diba? Ano po ako, hindi. Parang Senate President na rin siya. Kasi nga, kailangan, basta, magugulat na lang kayo. Pag-uusapan pa kasi yan. Pag-uusapan po maigi.
Further, Article 6, Section 16(5) of the Constitution provides that neither House shall, during sessions of Congress, adjourn for more than 3 days without the consent.
Bakit po Prontem? 12 lang po kasi. 12 pa lang po. Kailangan po 13. 12 pa lang. Kaya Protem siya. Okay? Alam ko ganun eh. Alam ko ganun. Kasi 12 pa lang eh. Pag 13, alam ko ganun eh.
Of the other House. The Senate has been adjourned and unable to resume session for the past 2 days, placing us on the brink of constitutional violation had we not convened today. Thus, in the absence of a duly consulted postponement and the continued absence of the former Senate President pro tempore, and members of the majority, we are compelled to call the session to order. The quorum of 12 is based on majority of 22 senators, over whom jurisdiction can be obtained.
The quorum of 12. Tama. The quorum of 12 para sa 22. Yun po yung sinasabi natin. So sa 22, ang kalahati, 11. Dahil nakakulong yung dalawa, makukulong, yung isa nagtatago. So, greater than ang 12. So, kaya pro-temp siya. Siya ang hinirang na pro-temp. Okay, I know.
By the Senate. This is in full accord with the ruling of the court in Avelino versus Cuenco that an absolute majority of 12 out of the 23 members can constitute a constitutional majority of the Senate for quorum purposes. And with precedent, specifically the May 5, 2015 session, where the quorum was based on 17 available senators, with 7 others beyond the Senate's coercive jurisdiction. Thank you.
Thank you
dear
very much
colleagues.
for the clarity, Mr. President. Mr. President, let the record reflect that the chair, as Senate President pro tempore, shall serve as acting president pursuant to Rule 5. Yes. Presiding officer of the Senate pursuant to Rule 5, Section 4C and 5 of the Rules of the Senate.
Tama.
Yes. Pursuant to our rules, the wording is actually acting president. Mr. President.
Acting.
Just for the record, Mr. President.
Acting siya. Kasi nga, wala eh. Wala. Ayaw nila eh. Dosis sila. May quorum. Oh.
Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move that the President of the Republic of the Philippines and the House of Representatives be informed of the election of Senate President pro tempore and acting Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion of the majority leaders hereby approved.
Sherwin Gatchalian, tumataga.
Aray ko.
May share na, may win pa. Share win. Binabahagi ang pagkapanalo, men. Sherwin. Ha? Sherwin. Sherwin yata yan.
Aray ko.
Mr. President, I move that the first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate be adjourned, sine G.
Is there
Yes!
any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. The first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate is adjourned sine die.
Yun! Woo! Woo! Jesus Escudero! Pling lang ha, pling lang ha. Bawal ang laba. Pling lang tayo, boy. Ha? Cheese, mahal kita ngayon lang ha. Pling lang to, boy. Ha?
Aray ko.
Cheese, mahal kita ngayon lang ha. Pling lang to, boy. Pling. Ayan po, nagsa-celebrate, oh. Ano, masaya sila. Ba't masaya kayo, ha? Ba't masaya kayo? Bawal magsaya. Makagalit si... Ba't masaya to mga to? Bawal magsaya. Ha? Makagalit si Cayetano. Ba't nagsasaya kayo? Ayan, titignan po natin ang mga interview. Haharap po tayo ng mga interview. Ayan, nahanap po tayo ng mga interview ngayon. Ha? Ito na po, harap tayo. Mga interview. Yari ngayon. Yari po, iyakan to, men. Dahil mag-iiyakan dito, men.
Lupang hinirang.
Dahil mag-iiyakan dito, men. Eh no, dumating si Kiso. Dahil mag-iiyakan dito, men. Ayan po ha, yung mga kapapasok lang, pwede na kayong lumabas. Yung mga kapapasok lang, may bago na po tayo Senado, Sherwin yata yan. Si Sherwin po, si Sherwin po ang nahirang na pro temp ng Senate, ng Senado. Dahil si Cayetano po ayaw magtrabaho. Okay, tignan po natin kung magla-live po si Cayetano na mayabang, wala pa pong labang ating vlogger. Okay, the quorum of 12, ang sabi po nila, the quorum of 12 is based on the majority of 22 senators. So, may bilang po ang 12. Kasi nga po, kung hatiin mo ang 22, 11. So, kapag may isa po, yan po ay may quorum na, 12. Okay? Wala na po si Cayetano. Magiging vlogger na lang po siya. Abangan niyo po ang kanyang content.
Aray ko.
Ha? Abangan niyo po ang kanyang content. At abangan po natin tungkol po to sa pagiging maka-juice, tang inumin mo.
Aray ko.
Ha? Tungkol po to sa pagiging maka-juice, tang inumin mo. Ayan po ang nangyari. Okay, hintayin lang po natin dito ang Andali lang po hintayin po tayo ng presscon. Baka po may presscon tayo. Sayang naman po. Idiretso na natin ito sa presscon. Yari dito. Iyak si Cayetano neto. Iyak si Cayetano. Ito po. Ito muna si Idol Rapi.
Sir, the president is already appealing. Is already appealing. Get back to work daw, sabi niya.
Tama lang. Tama lang.
Okay. Pero how can you work, sir?
How can we work kung wala naman yung majority? Wala yung Senate President. How can we work? Tama nga naman si President.
Oo. Ang dami niyo pong bill, sir, na hindi na-discuss in the past 2 days or third day. Does that concern you, sir?
It concerns us very, very much. At yung taong bayan, kasama na kayo dyan. So paano pa yung makapagtrabaho? Yung Senate President, hindi pumapasok. At
Ayan. Senate President, di pumapasok. Inahamon talaga ni Idol Rapi. At saka nga po, bukas, wala ng blue ribbon. Meron na kayo red ribbon. Wala na po blue ribbon bukas. Meron po bukas red ribbon.
Aray ko.
Oh, dito tayo.
Yung mga pwesto dyan, ha? Ito yung tripod natin. Set up agad. SP. May mga pwesto dyan, boy, dyan, ha? Boys, may mga pwesto dyan, ha?
Oh, yan. Oh, nagsisigawan po ang mga media. May mga pwesto daw. Huwag po tayo magsiksikan. Yan po, mahintay po. Mga press con po yata. May magka-press con po, mga kababayan. Hintayin po natin ang pagpa-press con. Ayan po, mga kababayan. Nakikita po nyo, live na live po. May magka-press con po ngayon, ha? May magka-press con po. Ayan po, hintayin po natin kung sino may magka-press con. Si Ali Cayetano kaya? Yan, hintayin po natin ha. May press con po. Hintayin natin itong press con na to. Ano na yan? Hayop na yan. Imbis na magtatangalian ako, hindi na ako nakapagtalangalian para sa bayan.
Pagayin mo si BBM. No joke.
Tangin na yan. Yeah. Nagtatangalian pa lang ako, pasubo pa lang ako, nakita ko tumatakbo si Cheese. Hype ka, Cheese. Pasubo pa lang ako eh. Ulam namin, munggo, hindi naman biyernes. Tumatakbo si Cheese, nakita ko eh. Oh, uy si Cheese.
Aray ko.
Diba? Ayan nga po, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Sinabi ko ng mga nakaraan, si Cheese po, hindi makontrol ni Alan Cayetano. Si Cheese po, hindi po makontrol ni Alan Cayetano. At hindi niya ilang araw pong nagkulong tong si Alan Cayetano, ay si Cheese Escudero. Nagbumuni-muni po siya ayon sa ating itim na kuyukot. Nagbumuni-muni siya. At sa isip-isip niya na parang nonsense ang pinaglalaban ni Alan. Nonsense po ang pinaglalaban ni Alan Cayetano.
Madilim daw ang paligid, putukan daw ay maririnig. Takot sa kanilang mata, ikaw ay madadala. Huwag kang palinlang kaibigan, Judas na 13 yan. Sinira nila ang Senado, sobrang ganit mga ito. Hindi nyo na maloloko mga Pilipino. Gising na gising kami sa kabobohan nyo. Di bumenta ang pelikula, pati ang drama. Sa sobrang kapal ng mukha, nangungumusta pa. Hindi nyo na maloloko mga Pilipino. Gising na gising kami sa kabobohan nyo. Di bumenta ang pelikula, pati ang drama. Sa sobrang kapal ng mukha, nangungumusta pa. May kaso at may sabit, sila sama-sama. Sigaw ng puso'y Duterte, abay nakakaputang ina. 10 utos kaibigan, huwag patayin ang kapwa mo. Tinago nila si Bato, pinatakas din ito. Hindi nyo na maloloko mga Pilipino. Gising na gising kami sa kabobohan nyo. Di bumenta ang pelikula, pati ang drama. Sa sobrang kapal ng mukha, nangungumusta pa. Hindi nyo na maloloko mga Pilipino. Gising na gising kami sa kabobohan nyo. Di bumenta ang pelikula, pati ang drama. Sa sobrang kapal ng mukha, nangungumusta pa. Madudumi ang taktika para lang kay Sara. Taong bayan hindi